What's going on, guys? So today we are heading to Cars and Coffee, and today we're gonna take both cars. We're gonna take my car and we're gonna take the GT350 out to Cars and Coffee today. The time today for Cars and Coffee is like 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. So a lot of people try to get to Cars and Coffee like 6, 7 o'clock, super early in the morning. We're about to leave now, like around 8ish, but it should be a good turnout today. I'm gonna film a lot of all kinds of cars, exotics, muscle tuners, bikes, all kinds of cars. I'm gonna film that today. So right now we're just getting everything together and take both of the cars out. I just put some Armor All on my tires. Look at that thing shining. Just put some Armor All on here. They look nice. So gotta back these cars out again, and in this car, static life, gotta back this car out, get the boards out and everything. Problems. I know the last guy commented like no bags in the GT350, but how you supposed to take this car anywhere you want to take it? Like you got to go to a gas station, scratch up the front lip looks terrible, all scraped up, it looks like crap. So why not bag this? So we're gonna do a comparison, guys. We're gonna do with this car, with how it is with the Magna Ride, and we're gonna do versus the airbag. So we're gonna do a comparison of both suspensions so you guys can see, and the trials and errors, etc., because the Magna Ride also has height sensors as well, and the airlift also has height sensors. So we're gonna do a comparison to see which one is better, but more than likely airlift is going to be probably more practical because you can air up, air down, use whatever ride height you want, whatever wide tires you want, pick whatever ride height that you want. So that's a good thing. So let's go, let's head to the meet. Gonna get some sick rollers today and some flybys of both cars. Air up, you guys already know. Okay. Just made it out the driveway. Guys, look at that, man. You see that coming up on you on your rearview mirror? Looks mean as hell. My dad is being good right now because my mom is with us, so you know we can't just be revving it out to 8 grand and, you know, bouncing off the red limiter. You know she's gonna have, you know how women are, guys. Maybe next video, but we're gonna be good. What's going on, guys? So right now we just made it to the Cars and Coffee event. I got my car right here, looking clean, of course. And we got a bunch of cars here, and cars are still rolling in right now, so everything looks really nice and dope. They got some dope cars here. I did like a little walk around before I started like videoing to see what kind of cars they got here. They got some dope cars. I see they got this beautiful hatch in this color. This color looks amazing. Got the intercooler right there, got the carbon fiber splitter, looks nice. Turbo right there, looks really nice. Clean, looks really dope. Got some Recaros in there, looks really nice. Got these Desmond Evos, looks nice, clean, looks really nice. Skyline right here in drive. Fucking tires, this thing is low. It's real nice, clean. So we got a 9th gen over here, SI. It's car is super low, tucking tires. I don't know if he's on air ride, but this car looks really low. I like the retrofitted headlights on these. And the chrome looks nice. Got a little front lip right there. Looks clean. White wheels. Looks nice. I see he took off the wing. Looks really dope. It's nice ST right here. Rear calipers. Mud flaps in the rear. Super low to the ground. Looks dope. Oh, I like this like little wing thing. The third brake light is. I like this little extension wing piece. Looks really nice. ST got the center exhaust. Oh, looks nice. Really nice. Looks dope. Got the yellow fog lights at the bottom. It's clean. Got the intercooler. Got this car on bags right here. Bag Dodge. I like these headlights. They look mean. In this generation, looks really nice. Looks good. Also got a YouTube channel. Check them out. All love. Looks dope. Got the Ferrata wheels. 5-spoke. Kind of like look like a 2-piece wheel with the lip and everything. Looks nice. Really dope. Got the Subaru right here. Gorgeous blue. Cool diffuser in the rear. Looks nice. Got these 3-piece wheels. Looks really dope.
Yep, I'm definitely going out of town.
Looks nice. Definitely like what he did with this Subaru. Looks really nice. The fitment is on point. He got the canards right here. Got these little aggressive canards. Looks really nice. Like that headlights with the LED day running lights. Looks nice. Looks really nice. I like this color. It's bluish purple to it. Looks really dope. Alright guys, we got this GTI. Got this GTI right here. These 3-piece wheels. Wheels look nice. Icy. Looks really nice. Got the yellow fog lights. Got this little front lip right there. Looks really dope. Got a bunch of them right here, all lined up. This thing right here is sick. You got the speakers in the rear, GR audio. It looks ridiculous. Look at the suspension, guys. It's ridiculous. Crazy. Freaking crazy. Got a TV, 2 TVs right there. Nice. Got the red in the roof. Got the seats with the harnesses in the rear. Looks dope. I really like this color, this red and black thing. It's really nice. The suspension is ridiculous. Look at that. Ridiculous. Got the harnesses. It's real nice. Alright, look at that sun hitting the wrap. The reflection is ridiculous, guys. It's really crazy. Car looks good though, I aired out. For Wakanda, guys. Got the necklace right there. And the seats and everything. Dope. It's nice Mercedes. Oh man, look at this duck bill. This is ridiculous. Look at that. That is crazy. C63 AMG. Look at that wing. That wing is crazy. It's nice. It's really nice. Some carbon fiber accents in the rear. Aggressive wheels. This one looks nice. Perfect fitment and everything. Really nice. Ooh, look at this S2000. Got the Kevlar carbon fiber everywhere. The wing. Like a little duck bill. Looks nice. Got some Kevlar carbon fiber at the bottom with this exhaust. Ready exhaust. Looks nice. Got some Mugen wheels, Ford, clean. Even got some carbon fiber splitters and Kevlar right here too. Really nice. Mirrors. Got some bride seats. Looks nice. Also got some Kevlar right there in the dash and everything. Clean, guys. It's really nice. And on the steering wheel right there. It's nice. Clean, guys. He really did a good job with this engine bay. So he got Kevlar everything basically on top of the valve right here. He got some downstar bolts. Looks real nice. Got the spoon piping and everything. Right there. Got the hood struts. Got the carbon fiber, Kevlar carbon fiber splitter right there. Looks nice. Nice. Definitely got to say, Cars and Car Feed, they had a lot of dope cars at the meet, and it was definitely fun driving all the way down there. With the other car, the GT350, definitely a fun car. It definitely screams like crazy. If you guys like this video, definitely smash the like button. I know we're on the road to 3K subscribers. Definitely, if you like this video, definitely smash the like button. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We're on the road for 3K subscribers. Then we're going to be doing another giveaway. This giveaway is going to be a bit different. It's probably going to be a little bit bigger. So subscribe to the channel. Continue to show love and support. And you can be able to possibly win the next giveaway at 3K subscribers. But also, if you're new, hit the notification bell to be notified on new videos dropping on a daily. So make sure you hit the notification bell. That's it for the video. There's going to be more mods on the way for the cars, especially for tomorrow's video is going to be dropping. It's going to be more installs, so subscribe to the channel for more dope content on the way. But that's it for the video. If there's anything that you want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step towards your goals every single day, make it happen. Peace.